fortress.
A murder happened at this fortress. Hey, we do a super. We want to get stuck. We want to camp here. See how this isn't good at all. We don't know if it's gonna flood. We don't know what's gonna happen.
We're gonna be taking a van to every country in the world.
I have never been so nervous about a border crossing in my life.
This has never even been attempted before.
To fly a parachute in every country of the world.
We just left our friend's house and it's 1 in the morning. We're pretty exhausted. We didn't have a plan. So this is one of the difficulties of van life. Trying to find somewhere to sleep. It's not always as easy as getting a hotel or being down by the river. So tonight we're searching. I wonder where we're gonna wake up, but that's kind of exciting in itself. So exhausted. It was a long day from crashing the drone, leaving the hotel, to the cooking class, to our van not getting stolen, to the impound lot, to going to our friend's house, to packing reserves. Then our 14th day on the road, I'm exhausted. Oof, what a trip. That's all I got. I'm rambling. I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
Yeah, shut up.
Good morning. Look at these two sleepy heads. We just had a little bit of coffee. I wanted to show you guys where we ended up making it. Oh, look at that view from the bed. And you open the door, we made it down to the river. Found this little parking spot. Look at that, huh? Not a bad spot to wake up for the morning. So tired, we slept in. Look at her, look at her. Oh, look at her. Yeah, oh, everybody's yawning. It's gonna be a good day. We're heading over to a fortress today on our way. We need to get some work done. We obviously need to work on the van situation, getting all of our insured. So we've got a lot to do. We've got to catch up. The episodes are coming out in 3 weeks. But we're down by the river, so all is good in life, and we're doing exactly what we want with ourselves and with our future. Good afternoon. We are on day 15 of the captain's log, and we are at a castle. It's phenomenal. It's a fortress. Technically not a castle, but it's one of Europe's earliest fortresses. It's on the river, and it used to protect itself from the Turks. We just met a local group of kids that gave us a little bit of history about the place. It's pretty cool, but I'm gonna read you from Wikipedia what it says so you understand. Before we get into the rest of this epic episode, we're excited to share with you that we are running a Dream Stakes giveaway with our partners at USA Solar Networks for $2,500 cash prize to pay for your next dream vacation. You can enter for free by clicking the link in the video description. With that, let's check out the rest of this epic episode. The Smerdrovna Fortress.
How do you say it?
Smerdrivov Fortress is a medieval fortified city in Smerdrivov, Serbia, which was temporarily capital of Serbia in the Middle Ages. It was built between 1427 and 1430 on the order of Depot de Badrad Brokovic, the ruler of the Serbian Despotate. It was further fortified by the Ottoman Empire, which had taken the city in 1459. It's a pretty cool thing. It's in the town of Smerdrivov. We're in Serbia. I think it's pretty cool. It's 11.3 hectares, which it might be acres. I don't know. I think acres. Its size is 11.3 hectares. I don't know what that means, but I think it means acres. I'll look at it later. But anyways, this is a fantastic experience. We got some amazing drone footage of it, going down through the castle tower, or the fortress tower. I mean, it's a castle to me, dang it. Going down through the fortress tower and coming out and watching the van drive away and just having some fun playing with that. Sandra running around. Freedom destroying her brand new ball that we just got her. So much awesome out here in Serbia. I love this place. This is fantastic.
When I was reading some of the reviews about this place, it said there was a lot of graffiti, and there's graffiti everywhere, right? Freaking jerks. So I came across this one. This one I thought was kind of cool because it says, just do it, nothing is impossible. But what I noticed that Jamie didn't, come over here.
Just do nothing.
Come over here.
It is impossible.
If you just walk a little bit and put yourself in a different place and look at something in a different way, you'll realize, just do it. Nothing's impossible.
Good.
It's a little slobbery. I have
What did you do to that ball, Freedom?
What
You
did
do to that ball. You killed
What
it.
did you do, Freedom? This was the best ball in the world.
Freedom, you killed the
Freedom,
best
why are
ball.
you killing it?
Oh my God, Freedom, you killed the best ball. Murder happened at this fortress, and she's just being neurotic with it. Oh,
What
you killed
happened?
it.
Does it still bounce, Freedom? Yeah.
No, she killed it.
She murdered them.
So she can't have the balls.
This is why pit bulls don't get toys. They
No.
eat them.
That was the best toy in the world. We were so excited to share this toy with Freedom, and she just murdered it. Show you guys a little bit of the inside of the fortress. It plants trees in here. It seems to be kind of a park now.
Running.
People running around, having a pretty good time. We're having a good time in here. We're enjoying it. We're trying to head somewhere to get a little bit of work done today, but I had to come see this place because it's pretty cool, and I like a fortress. I'm a strategical kind of guy. I love war movies. I love war. I love history. I love all these things, and I love war. Time to make money. Wartime.
This river right here is called the Danube River. It actually flows all the way into Romania. It's a beautiful river. Definitely love waking up to a river in the morning. We've officially left Belgrade. We're gonna go back up to Varosh.
Rock, V with a V.
Varosh.
The original tower that we camped at.
We have a redemption. We need to fly there since we suffered there for 2 days. You guys might remember the mosquitoes. And instead of camping there, we decided we're gonna go down a dirt road that we found to see if we can find a beautiful camping spot on the river. This road is beautiful. There are lavender everywhere, birds chirping. It's a pretty epic road.
It's amazing, honestly. Like, this is what I'm here for. Dirt roads, no idea where they go. It's not on the map. And we're just driving down. We have no idea what's down here. We're just looking for an amazing place to be able to open the door in the morning and have a hell of a view.
We're
And
definitely off the beaten path.
definitely off the beaten path.
It's getting a little muddy though.
It's getting a little muddy.
I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't know. I don't know. That goes. That looks okay to
Doesn't
me.
feel- Not a bad place to get stuck.
I don't want to get stuck here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh
Alright,
boy.
A little soft.
A little soft. Let's keep it going.
Okay, we're going. We're good. Oh, this is pretty. Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Stop.
That's horrible.
Just feel.
Just got me stop here in the. Keep her moving. I'm gonna keep her moving. I don't think there's anybody that can help us out of this mud if we got something happen here. I don't think we should keep going.
I might agree with you. It's getting a little hairy. I'm going to spot right now because we definitely don't want to get stuck here. There is nobody to help us out. But we found an open area right on the water. Imagine that. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We got a field on one side, a river on the other.
Super wet. So we're gonna do like a 5-point turn. We don't want to get stuck, so we want to camp here. See how wet those tires are.
We are officially in the middle of nowhere. In a little open field. Trying not to get stuck.
This isn't good at all. It's sunset, torrential downpour. I mean, it's really raining, and we are as far back into the middle of the river and woods as we can be. Nobody knows we're out here. We have no way to get a hold of anybody.
Remember when I said earlier that this is a place where you don't want to get stuck? Of course, this rain just makes it even more likely that we're gonna get stuck.
All we know is that this much rain can't be a good thing. This isn't good at all. The river is right here. We don't know if it's gonna flood. We don't know what's gonna happen. I cannot express the magic that I have in my heart. It's fucking deep. It hurts. It's been super wet. There's a great chance that we're gonna get stuck. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you can help us set a world record and fly a parachute in every country of the world by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
And also, if you like free stuff, we work with brands and are always giving away freebies. You can click here to enter.
See you in the next episode.